You just got paid. Your account went from $12 to $2,200. You felt rich for exactly 11 minutes. And then rent hit. Then the car insurance autopay. Then your phone bill. Then that gym membership you forgot you had since 2021. And now you're staring at $183 left, wondering how this keeps happening. This isn't bad luck. This isn't the economy. This isn't your boss for not paying you enough. Okay, maybe a little, but mostly. This is a system, an invisible trap that's designed to eat your paycheck before you ever get to enjoy it. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you the one shift that keeps most people broke forever. And no, it's not stop buying coffee. That advice is garbage. Stick around. Here's how most Americans experience payday. Ready? It goes like this. You check your bank app. Money's there. You feel like Jay-Z for about 6 minutes. You buy something dumb, nothing, crazy, maybe DoorDash, maybe an online order, just to celebrate surviving another 2 weeks of your life. And then the avalanche starts. Rent, utilities, subscriptions, credit card minimum, student loan payment. And if you have a car, insurance, gas, and whatever the mechanic found last week, you know what's wild? The average American has 12 paid subscriptions. Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, Amazon Prime, Apple iCloud, that meditation app you opened, once 12. At an average of $14 each, that's $168 a month, vanishing silently. Money you never even feel spending. According to a 2023 survey by Bankrate, nearly 57% of Americans couldn't cover an unexpected $1,000 expense from savings. Over half the country is one car repair away from debt. And these aren't people who don't work. Most of them have jobs. The paycheck is coming in. So where is it going? Think of it this way. Your paycheck is like a hot pizza. The second it arrives, everyone grabs a slice. Landlord, Sally Mae, Verizon, Geico. By the time you reach for yours, you're eating the box. Okay, so real talk. Why does this keep happening paycheck after paycheck, even when you promise yourself this time will be different? It's not because you're irresponsible. It's because you're running on what I call reactive money. Here's what that means. You wait for money to come in, then you react to whatever screams loudest. Bill due, pay it, hungry, order in, bored, buy something. Your money has no plan, so your money makes no progress. True story, my friend Marcus, smart dude, makes $58,000 a year, was complaining to me that he's always broke. I asked him to send me his last 3 months of bank statements. Y'all, this man was spending $340 a month on food delivery, not groceries, delivery fees. That's for $1,000 a year in delivery fees alone, not the food. Are the fees and tips for someone to carry the food. But here's the thing, Marcus didn't feel like he was doing anything crazy. It was $12 here, $18 there. This is called lifestyle creep. Basically, as your income rises, your spending rises to match it. Automatically, without you deciding anything. You don't feel richer. You don't save more. You just spend more on slightly better versions of everything you already had. Lifestyle creep just means your life gets more expensive as you make more money without you noticing. You upgrade from Spotify Free to Spotify Premium. You go from cooking to DoorDash, from DoorDash to Uber Eats Plus, from economy flights to economy plus. You're not being flashy. You're just slowly leaking money. Okay, this is the part most YouTube finance videos skip. They'll tell you to budget. They'll tell you to track your spending. And that's fine. Advice. But they never tell you why your brain fights you every step of the way. Here it is, your brain literally cannot feel the difference between spending $40 and then spending $400 in the moment. There's a concept called pain of paying. Research from MIT shows that when we pay with cash, we feel mild psychological discomfort. When we pay with a card or phone, a tap, a click, that pain is almost completely eliminated. The friction is gone, so every time you tap Apple Pay, your brain registers that the same way it registers breathing. Effortless, automatic, consequence-free until the bank statement arrives and your body goes into fight or flight. Here's the one that broke me. According to a 2024 Lending Club report, 78% of Americans living paycheck to paycheck earn over $100,000 a year. Read that again. 6-figure salary, paycheck to paycheck. This isn't an income problem. The money is there. It's a system problem, and nobody teaches you the system. The financial industry makes more money when you're confused. Banks earn billions in overdraft fees. Credit card companies love minimum payments. The entire subscription economy is designed to be forgotten. You're not failing at finance. You were never taught finance by your school, your parents, or anyone. All right, enough roasting you. Here's what you actually do today. Not next Monday, not January 1st, today. Step 1, run a subscription audit right now. Open your bank app. Scroll back 60 days. Every recurring charge, write it down. I promise, you will find at least 2 things you forgot existed. Cancel anything you haven't used in the last 30 days. Not paused, canceled. Right now, before you keep watching. Step 2. Set up a payday protocol, not a budget. Budgets feel like diets. Nobody sticks to diets. Instead, the morning your paycheck lands, move money on purpose before you touch it. Open a free savings account, Marcus, by Goldman Sachs Ally, SoFi, and auto-transfer a fixed amount the same day as payday. Even $50, even $25, the number doesn't matter yet. The habit does. Step 3. Give your spending money a physical limit. Take what's left after bills and your savings transfer. That's your free money for the month. Put it in a separate account. When it's gone, it's gone. You stop spending. Not because you're broke, but because you already protected everything else first. This is called paying yourself first, and it's the only money advice that actually works long term. Step 4. Add one automatic investment, even tiny, if your job offers a 401k with any employer match, and you're not using it. You're leaving free money on the table. That's not a metaphor. Your employer is literally saying, we'll give you extra money, and you're saying no. Set it to 1%. Then forget, it exists. Increase it by 1% every 6 months. You will never miss what you never see. I want you to imagine something for a second. You're 45 years old, you make decent money, but you're sitting in your car in a parking lot before work, stressed about a $600 car repair bill. Not because you don't earn enough, but because you never built the system that keeps $600 accessible. That's not a hypothetical. That is the statistically most likely version of your future if you keep doing what you're doing right now. And that version of you doesn't have options. They can't quit a bad job. They can't take a risk on a business idea. They can't say no to a bad relationship because they can't afford to move out. Money isn't just money, it's options. It's freedom. It's the ability to choose your life instead of just surviving. You're young. That is genuinely your greatest financial asset. Right now, not your salary, not your credit score. Time. Compound interest doubles money roughly every 7 to 10 years if you invest it. That means $1,000 you put away at 25 could be $8,000 by the time you're 55, without you doing a single thing, but only if you start now. Every year you wait isn't just a year lost. It's a doubling cycle. Gone, you don't need to be rich to start. You just need to start before you feel ready. Because ready never comes when money is concerned. If this video made you even slightly angry at yourself, good. That's the beginning. Hit subscribe, because next week we're talking about why your credit score is either silently saving you money or silently costing you thousands. And most people have no idea which one. This channel doesn't do fluffy advice or 10 ways to be rich. Mindset nonsense, just real stuff. Explained like a friend who actually read the book so you don't have to. And if you don't subscribe, that's cool. More money stuff for everyone else. Meanwhile, you'll be here next payday staring at $180, wondering what happened. Your choice,